Hi everyone, it's Lonnie and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a very quick unboxing and this is from the starter box from FabFitFun. To read this because I tried filming this intro so many times and I kept switching the words together. I don't know why it's such a big tongue twister, but this is the starter box from FabFitFun and I have the opportunity of getting my hands on this from my YouTube friend Geneva. I will make sure that I link her YouTube channel down below for you guys, so make sure you subscribe to her. She's so cute. Her channel is fun. I mean, she's just really sweet. And I'll put her Instagram handle down below also, so make sure you follow her there, subscribe to her channel. So thank you so much, Geneva. I really appreciate this. So with the starter box, you pay pretty much just the shipping and you have to get it through somebody that you know, where they just send a link to a couple of their friends, and that's how you get the opportunity of doing this. So again, thank you so much. So I'm going to open this. That would be the first step. So the only subscription that I have is from BoxyCharm. So I just love getting little surprises and goodies. I'm dropping things, sorry. So I just like getting little surprises in the mail. So the box is pretty big. It doesn't feel super heavy. So let me just open this. Ooh. Okay, so as soon as you get it, you know, the normal thing. Hold on, I'm bopping myself in the face. So when you get it, it has a little pamphlet that says FabFitFun, starter box, how the box is curated, all that. I'm not going to bore you guys and read all of this stuff. I'm just going to read this later for myself and just kind of go through it. And let me put that over there. And then now is where you get, can you guys see? Is it too bright? Hold on. I think it's too, okay, wait. This is the worst angle ever. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is a necklace. It's from Adore, and you can get this. These are crystals from Swarovski, and you can get this stuff from Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com. So this is really cute. It looks like a really nice rose gold necklace. I've actually been looking for really cute little dainty pieces to wear on a regular basis. So this is actually really cute. It's just a nice little circle. And it doesn't tell you how much the retail value is, but I'm sure if I just look it up, I can find it. But that is really cute. Next thing in here. Okay, so there's not too many products, so this video is going to be extremely short. So this is Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Masks. And there are two in here. Okay, so this comes with two, and this is from Nails Inc. London. So this is what that looks like. I've seen those little foot masks, so I've never seen the hands before. But I mean, who doesn't want really nice hydrating hands? So this actually looks really nice. So I'm excited. You keep this on for 15 to 20 minutes, and it has shea butter and vitamin E. And that's about it. I mean, it's literally just very self-explanatory, but these are really cute. They're really interesting, and I hope they work. Okay, so the next product is from Drybar. Okay, this is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Tangler. So this is it right here, and it's the Shake Me Up. So this is just supposed to be a heat protectant, and it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 233 degrees Celsius. So, okay, I've actually really been into heat protectants. I'm using a heat protectant right now that I've had for a really long time. So I was actually on Amazon looking for new heat protectants. So now it saves me some money. So pretty excited. I do want to see what this smells like. Hold on, I feel like this video is just gonna be really long because I can't open this. It doesn't smell bad. I don't know what it smells like. It kind of smells pepperminty, which I do like peppermint, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'm excited. I'm always looking for a really good heat protectant, especially something that's not going to weigh my hair down because I have really thin, flat, fine, lifeless hair. Okay, and the last product is from Tarte Drink of H2O. It's a hydrating boost moisturizer, and it's a 12-hour hydration. So I've actually seen this. I've just never gotten around to getting it. And this is the packaging. Very nice, cute packaging. And let's see what it looks and smells like. Oh, okay. So it's like that really nice clearish jelly. Clearish jelly. It's a gel moisturizer. That's what I meant to say. Sorry. So I'm just gonna put a little on my hand. It smells, I don't know how to explain what it smells like. It smells hydrating. And I know that may not make a lot of sense, but if you're someone who's used or purchased hydrating products, it has like it has a scent to it, or it's a very similar fragrance, and that's what it smells like. Okay, let me just let that absorb into my skin. I'm very picky with gel moisturizers because I don't want anything tacky on my face, but this is drying down really, really nicely, so I'm hoping that my skin really likes this. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about all of these products. I think all of them, so for the starter box, I paid $5 for shipping, and for all 4 of these products for $5, I have absolutely no complaints whatsoever. I'm going to use all 4 of these products, and they're actually all things that I would have never ended up purchasing on my own. So again, thank you very, very much, Geneva, for sending me the starter box. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm excited. So I will be testing out a couple of these products and let you guys know what I think about all of the items in separate videos. But that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.